In the box. It looks really fine. It does come with this one for styling purpose. So it does come with sorry for the messy room. And here we go. So here's some buttons. So 1 2 3, I don't know what is this do. 0 1 2, so I think this is on. And oh, so this is off, this is on. Oh, sorry. So this is on, and it gives you, so there's a cool button over here. So if you press this, then it's cool, and if you click on, there's a heat, so it heats up, and so it works fine. It works fine. You can buy it. It works fine. So this looks good. Looks good too. Not so cheap. Looks nice. Not so cheap. So it's fine. Worth the price.